it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have for you installation of the Caseology tempered glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Boy, that's a mouthful. I figured I'd try something different. Super Shields works excellent on my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, but I figured I'd try something different. I got the Caseology here from your folks over at Amazon Vine. I'm gonna stick this video up on Amazon, show people how to install it, see how much I like it, see how well it works with the phone. Let's get into this install. First, let's take a glance around the box. This is a Snap Fit screen protector. So this is one of those that's supposed to be dummy proof in a way. Tempered glass, but it's got the installer, as you'll see when we get in here. It said, do you need a fresh start? A small gift from Caseology. This is clean wipes for the glass. Dust removers, always welcome. And it looks like you got a microfiber cleaning cloth in here. Just one, not two. But you do have two of your alcohol wipes, two dust removers, because there are two screen protectors in this pack. There's a set of installation instructions here. Ooh, we have two installers. I thought that was one. Nice. They already have the screen protector laid in here. I see where you're gonna have to pull the back off. I'm gonna stick it down on our phone and we're gonna press and slide and then it's gonna be installed. Easy enough, right? We have an installation pad that I guess we lay our phone on. So I feel pretty comfortable. I've gone over the instructions. What I'll say is I'm gonna lay my phone on this installation pad and I'm gonna give it a good wipe down first. So we got that all cleaned up and then we'll wipe it down. Now we will come through with the dust remover sticker. And they have some little ones on here too. I think the big one's gonna be good enough though. It covers just about the whole phone. All right, should have all of our dust off of there. So next we're gonna remove the back film here, and it's labeled back film. Now we're gonna just lay this over the top of our phone. Let's get to work. Now I can see through, looks about right. They have directions. You can see the two top pieces say top and the two bottom pieces say bottom. Press and slide. So wait 30 seconds and we're gonna press and slide. But we're supposed to go outwards. So it's supposed to go this way to where the bubbles are gonna work themselves out. So let me remove this. Oh, so we're supposed to press and slide both ways. I see some bubbles in here, but they gave us a contraption for that. And then we take this off. There's another piece of protective film, but I see that I have some bubbles, right? So I can take this little thingy they gave me and push those bubbles right out. Don't know, y'all. Looks like I have a bubble in the middle. And then you're supposed to pull this piece off. Oh, so that bubble was in this piece and not in the actual glass. And so what I'm gonna come through and wipe it down again because the sticker has some residue on it. And shout out to all the people who've been complaining about the screen protectors with the hole for the camera. This one does not have one. We'll see if that messes with our camera photography at all. And now it's all done and it's installed. There's a gap, people, and a lot of people are complaining about the gaps, but the gaps are more or less so you can use a case. I used Super Shields on my Pixel 9 Pro XL. It also left a gap around the edges and people says, oh, it doesn't fit the whole phone. There is a Spigen screen protector that you can get that goes edge to edge. People have complained that the cases will pull up their screen protector. So you can't have it both ways. Either it's going to be case friendly or it's going to be edge to edge and you're going to rock your phone with no case. The fingerprint unlock on this phone is on the button. So you don't have to worry about if it's going to work with the screen protector. I am pretty happy with the installation. Like I said, it does leave a gap. I will show you how that looks with cases. And I have to say I'm satisfied. I'd like to thank you for stopping by and checking out my installation of the Caseology tempered glass screen protector. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to see how this protector works with cases, you might want to subscribe. Subscriptions are free, memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. If you'd like to see what those privileges are, please click on the join button. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on the next video on my channel. Holla!